Connect x-axis, y-axis, y-axis and z-axis encoder according to corresponding connection line. Connect the focus shaft encoder jack and connect the corresponding direction line according to the letter code. The A+ interface corresponds to the A+ connection port, and so on. Finally, tighten the screws. Water cooler part. The line codes are L, N, and PE lines respectively. The N wire is installed under the U line, the N wire corresponds to the N wire, and the PE wire corresponds to the ground wire. Ground lead. Water chiller water pipe section installation. First, the laser head blue tube corresponds to the room temperature water outlet. The red tube of the fuselage corresponds to the normal temperature return water interface. The low temperature water outlet is connected to laser water inlet. The low temperature water return port is connected to laser water outlet. Connecting the laser power cable. Power cables are divided into L, N, and PE cables. First, install the PE cable corresponding to the PE cable. The N line corresponds to the N line. The L line corresponds to the VR line. Now let's connect the network cable. The other end is connected to the network cable interface of the computer host. Connect the laser signal control line. Connect the other end to the wiring terminal of the distribution box. T-line positive, negative corresponds to modulation input positive, negative. 0到10伏 input positive, negative corresponds to D-line positive, negative, positive, negative external outgoing light corresponds to positive, negative red light. Enable input positive, negative corresponds to enable positive, negative. Connect the output end of the fiber laser to the laser cutting head. First, remove the laser head and optical fiber head protective glue. Keep the optical fiber head horizontally. Do not place the optical fiber head downward or upward. Unplug the fiber cap. Check that the protective mirror is clean. Remove the laser nozzle for inspection. Turn the knob to remove the protective lens. Check whether the or protective lens of the laser is clean. Turn the laser head to the left. Push it down and turn it to the left again to open the laser head. Remove cover. Keep the optical fiber level and remove the optical fiber protective cap. In the process, the red dot on the laser head is in the same horizontal position as the dot on the laser. Insert the laser horizontally into the laser head. Rotate the laser head to the right and push it up, and then rotate the laser head to the right again. The laser head can be fixed. Use non-adhesive tape to seal the QBH interface. The next step is to install the laser cutting head. First, unscrew the mounting screws of the laser cutter on the machine head. Place the laser in the appropriate position. Tighten the screws on both sides. Next, install the signal amplifier. Connecting signal line. Tighten the signal amplifier reinforcement screws. Now install the focusing wire. Insert the two focusing wires into the corresponding joints according to the number of pinholes in the focusing wires. Pay attention to the slot position of the interface. Next, connect the water and air rods. First, connect the laser QBH waterway and the laser head waterway interface. Then connect the fuselage return water system interface and laser head interface. Next, connect the water inlet to the laser head interface. Finally, connecting trachea. Machine installation completed.